Welcome back to my Vietnam travel series. In this video I'll show you our first 2 amazing days in Vietnam, exploring the vibrant streets of Hanoi and then experiencing the beautiful cruise in Halong Bay. If you're planning a Vietnam trip, this video will help you know exactly what to expect. Day 1 Exploring Hanoi. On day 1, we arrived at our hotel located in the heart of the Hanoi Old Quarter. This area is one of the most lively places in Hanoi, filled with narrow streets, local shops, cafes, and street food everywhere. After checking into our hotel and freshening up, we decided to step out in the evening to explore the city. One of the best things we did on our first day was taking the hop-on hop-off city bus tour. The ticket cost around 500 Indian rupees per person, and the ride lasted for about 1 hour. For anyone visiting Vietnam for the first time, this is a great way to get a quick overview of the city. You can sit comfortably on the bus while it takes you around major landmarks, historic buildings, and important areas of Hanoi. After the bus tour, we visited the famous train street in Hanoi. This place is quite unique because the train passes through a very narrow street lined with cafes on both sides. It's definitely an interesting spot to see, but visitors should check train timings and follow safety rules. In the evening we explored the Hanoi Night Market, which is very popular among tourists. The market is full of stalls selling clothes, souvenirs, handicrafts, and street food. The atmosphere here is very lively, with music, lights, and lots of people enjoying the night shopping experience. If you enjoy street markets and local culture, this place is definitely worth visiting. Day 2 Halong Bay Cruise Adventure. Journey to Halong Bay, 6 o'clock to 7:30. On day 2, we planned a trip to the beautiful Halong Bay. From Hanoi, it takes around 2 to 3 hours to reach Halong Bay. Our tour package included a luxury limousine van, which was very comfortable and made the journey quite relaxing. During the journey, the tour guide stopped at a pearl farming center. Here they explained how pearls are formed and how long the process takes. It was quite interesting to learn about the pearl cultivation process. There is also a shop where you can buy pearl jewelry, but the prices are quite high. So purchasing is completely optional. Finally, we reached the boarding point for the Apollo cruise. After boarding the cruise, we were welcomed with a welcome drink, and the staff explained the safety instructions. As the cruise started moving through the limestone islands of Halong Bay, the scenery was absolutely breathtaking. Soon after that, a buffet lunch was served on the cruise. The buffet included several Vietnamese dishes and seafood options. Enjoying lunch while cruising through the beautiful islands of Halong Bay was truly an unforgettable experience. After lunch, we had two activity options: kayaking, bamboo boat ride. Since we were traveling with family, we chose the bamboo boat ride, which was a very relaxing experience. The bamboo boat took us to the famous Sunset Cave, also known as Surprise Cave. To reach the cave, visitors need to climb around 400 steps, so it might be a little difficult for elderly travelers. Inside the cave, the exploration takes around 20 to 25 minutes, and the natural rock formations inside are truly impressive. After exploring the cave, we returned to the cruise on the same bamboo boat. Later in the evening, the cruise hosted a sunset tea session, where they served one alcoholic drink, green tea, snacks like biscuits and fruits. Watching the sunset over Halong Bay while relaxing on the cruise was a perfect way to end the day. After the sunset session, the cruise returned to the port, and we traveled back to Hanoi in the same limousine van. That completed our Day 2 adventure in Halong Bay. If you are planning a Vietnam trip, I would definitely recommend exploring Hanoi and taking a Halong Bay cruise. It's an experience you shouldn't miss. Stay tuned for more videos from our Vietnam journey.